Oh wow. Wow, guys. I was not aware that I was not audible. My bad, my bad. But yeah, we just took a W trade here. W trade during Asian here. My bad, guys. I really thought that I was audible. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah, but that was a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade, guys. Um, yeah, man, let's count that as a winner. Let's count that as a winner. Yeah, Goldie might just wanna keep on pushing higher here. We'll see how Goldie reacts, right? 12 wins, 5 losses, 5 BE. We are at 70% win rate. Let's go, guys. Let's go. You guys know the vibes. You know what it is. So, yeah, guys, if you really want to know how I trade and all this type of things, make sure that you follow my channel, right? After following my channel, make sure that you DM me and I'll teach you how I trade, right? Yeah, I'll teach you guys how I trade. I'll give you guys the formula. I'll give you guys all of those good things, right? Yes, sir. Just make sure that you DM me and I'll send you guys the prices, man. If you want a good life, if you want a good life, if you want to become a profitable trader, if you want to be a winner amongst winners, like the top 1% of traders, yeah, man, just make sure that you join um this group, join my group, join the golden room. Make sure that you're a part of the golden room. Make sure that you're a part of us. Make sure that you trade with us on a daily basis. And yeah, man, we will set you up for success here. Right. This was a beautiful trade. I don't have much to say. I don't have any complaint whatsoever. This was a beautiful trade. Yeah, we only went break even once, but I re-entered, and yeah, man, I'm gonna count this as a winner. I'm gonna count this as a winner. This was a winning trade. This was a W trade, a young 100 pip move, right? Yeah, that was a young 100 pip move. Something light, right? So make sure that you hit me up on one of the social media platforms if you want to learn how I trade and if you want to join my premium trade sessions here, right? Yeah, man, that was a beautiful one. That was a beautiful one, guys. That was a beautiful one. Yeah, you will be a part of my premium trade session. Premium, premium, premium. I will add you to the premium and I'll show you guys how to become a profitable trader, how to become an A plus top one trader. And yeah, man, we're gonna kill the markets. We're gonna make sure that we are profitable. We're gonna make sure that we are winners. We're gonna make sure that we are winners. So yeah, if you're trying to be a part of the winners like us, right? Just make sure that you hit me up on one of the social media platforms, and I'll teach you guys how I do this thing, right? And yeah, man, like possibly if you want to change your life, if you want to become uh, a different person, a different light, right? If you want to shine light, um, in your journey, if you want to become a profitable trader in general, like just in general in life, right? If you wanna be better in life, if you wanna, I'm gonna coach you, I'm gonna teach you, I'm gonna put you on, you know what I'm saying? And let's change your life. You know what I'm saying? Let's change your life and let us work together. um yeah, my only goal here is to create a team, right? My only goal here is to create a club, right? A club full of wonderful, amazing traders. That's what I want to see, right? I want to see amazing traders hop on the session. I want to see people who are really willing to change their lives. I want to be with people who are really willing to become um A1, A plus traders, in the golden room. I want to grow the community. And yeah, if you're trying to be a part of the community here, if you're trying to be the number one trader, wherever you come from, just make sure that you hit me up, guys, and I will make sure to add you to all my sessions, right? Yeah, I'll add you to all my private sessions. So basically, I was on a private session before I went live on YouTube, right? So yeah, that's where I explain each and every setup, each and every single trade, and all those type of things, right? So yeah, let's start again with the top down analysis here for gold. Yeah, I know I just rushed in the trade, right? So bear with me, guys. Yeah, let me just start all over from the daily time frame. All right, the daily time frame, guys. So basically, we've been bullish, right? That's why my buys basically made sense. Let me just put my mic right here. I hope I'm audible. No music today, guys. I don't feel like it. I don't feel like music, so I'm gonna lock in and basically we are going to have a conversation. Yeah. Right. Yeah, so basically, guys, yeah, we might just get more opportunities, right? We might just get more opportunities to open trades, guys. So don't be shy, don't be shy. You can chill, you can chill. You know what I'm saying? Let me look for trades. Yeah, you can chill. Let me look for trades, and let's see what we can do, right? And with that being said, let's start. Let's start. All right. So the daily time frame, guys. So basically, price has been pushing. We do realize that in this area here we have some sort of a rejection, right? In this area here we do see that we have some sort of a weird rejection, right? Not there, not there, right here. Yeah, we have some sort of a weird rejection, right? But price pushed above, right? And we do know that these are high times of volume, and we know that price also pushed above this area here, which created some sort of a breakout, right? So from this breakout area, price basically decided to create a very small lower wick, right? A very small lower wick on the daily here. So basically my trade was just to fill this wick, right? This was my trade, just to fill the wick, right? So possibilities of price coming back lower, they might play out, but I'm not interested in sales anymore. Only because we pushed above here and we already taken a beautiful trade. So I'm not gonna rush into anything or try to make unnecessary uh, trades here. I don't want to give my money back to the market. All right, so basically, yeah, we have buys above 41.89 and sells below 40.52. All right, so what do we see on the 4 hour time frame? We do see that price is basically rejecting this area, right? We have a previous support, and right now price is rejecting. So obviously, on the 1 hour candlestick, we are probably going to see a rejection or maybe a red candlestick, right? Let's see. All right. Yeah. So there's the rejection right there. And we do see that price is rejecting from the area after we took profits, right? Immediately after taking profits, price decided to reject. Why is price rejecting? I'm going to explain this, right? So we already filled the 1 hour wick, right? We already filled the 1 hour wick. Price pushed up to fill the wick, and that was my trade, right? I did see that was creating support also, right? And we were basically breaking above. So that is why I took the buys um, in this area on the yeah, on the 1 hour time frame here. Right, on the 30, we clearly see that price is doing nice things, right? We did get a breakout above this level here, which is 40.86. Yeah, we got a breakout above that level, and basically we were trading in the range. But do you see one significant thing here? Price did not um just close, right? Price did not give us a closure above. That's one thing you guys need to be careful of. You guys need to be mindful of that. Price did not give us a closure above. Price decided to just, keep on moving here. So yeah, the buys in this area were gonna look good. and all the type of things. But I took the buy somewhere around these levels here on the 15-minute time frame. That is where I took my buys. On the 15-minute time frame, I took my buys at 40.92 here. That's where price actually gave us a closure above, right? Once we got a closure above, price decided to move up. So I grabbed this move here. So another thing is we do see that there's some sort of pullback in this area, right? Where price created support, but after creating support, price ripped up here. So this could have been another move, but yeah, it's not a part of our moves, right? That's why I did not take that trade. But yeah, guys, overall, that was a beautiful one. That was a wonderful one. That was a nice and sweet session. If you guys have any questions, I don't mind chilling for another 20 minutes. But if you guys don't have questions, I'm calling it a day here. I don't want to be on the charts for too long. I did what I had to do, took my bias, and I'm stepping out of here. All right. All right. Yeah, I don't see anyone interested in asking any questions here. So yeah, guys, that was the trade. We're sitting on 70% win rate, back to 70% win rate, which obviously had to happen. It had to happen. So yeah, man, stay out of trouble here. Save your profits. Make sure that you stay locked in here, and just wait for more and better opportunities. But yeah, right now, this type of opportunities are not it. Right? We're still gonna be looking for buys, but we have to wait for the buys to play out properly here before taking a trade. Yeah, guys, I'm not out here to show you Lamborghinis or anything like that. I'm out here to make money, right? So if you do get a closure above here, right? If you do get a closure above, price will be interested in pushing higher. Yeah. Right, guys. Yeah, I'm pretty tired. I'm just gonna rest. I'm gonna lay my head and chillax. All those good things. I don't know if y'all want me to keep the live session running so that you guys can see the moves and how price wants to move, or yeah, but yeah, guys, I don't think you guys want to do all the tedious work, right? I'm pretty sure y'all don't want that, none of that tedious work. Uh, Yo, man, when last did we use Fibonacci? Yo. Right, yeah. All right, guys, I don't want to doze off on y'all. I'm pretty tired, guys. I've been up, I've been working hard, I've been doing the most here, so I don't want to doze off on y'all, guys. Let me get some proper rest actually for the day. And yeah, man, I'll see you guys later here. Right, I'm just gonna keep this on and yeah, potentially switch it off later. But yeah, that was the W trade. That was a wonderful trade. Hope you guys saw that. Hope you guys were part of the trade. Make sure that you are locked in. Make sure that you are a part of us, and let's trade and make money together. All right. All right, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to DM me if you want to be a part of my uh club here. The golden room. That's what it is. Choo, choo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's cool. That's cool. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. The golden room. Haha. I, I was gonna say the Golden Room Boys, but yeah, man, I know there's girls also watching and all those good things. So I won't say the Golden Room Boys and Girls. That doesn't sound good. So the golden room. Welcome to the golden room. Yeah, man, I can't wait to have you guys joining the club and making sure that you guys have locked in your premium memberships so that we can trade lives together here. Right. And let's change our lives. Let's become profitable and let's change our losses. Let's go from losing traders to profitable traders in 1 week, possibly. Hey man, anything is possible. Anything is possible. You just gotta believe. All right, guys. Yeah, I feel like I'm talking too much now. All right, I'll see y'all during London session, God willing, hopefully. But if I don't see you guys during London, maybe New York. If not New York, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Right? Just make sure that you are subscribed, clicked in, and locked in and ready to make money here. All right. I'll see you guys later. Cheers.